Hello YouTube. I'm going to be doing a review and having a look at a Teach Yourself edition, or Teach Yourself course this time. It's the Bengali course. This is one of the things that's been sitting on the back of my bookshelf, so I pulled it out to have a look at it and remind myself why I bought it. I love the Bengali script and therefore I also love the sound of the language, so this is why I bought the book. This is a 2007 edition. This book is laid out a little bit differently than other Teach Yourself books, and that's one of the first things you're going to notice. So, as you can see in the table of contents, I'll mention it right away. For the first 12 lessons, you're going to be learning the alphabet in groups. Then you're going to have a review in the 13th lesson, and then from 14 onwards till 35, it's laid out in the normal Teach Yourself way with with dialogues and vocabulary and such. So let's have a look. First is the introduction to the language. Here's a diagram of the script, and part one, sounds and script. So as I said, you're going to be learning certain chunks of the alphabet in chunks. It's going to give you a little bit of a blurb about it, and then talk about some of the sounds and give you a look at the handwriting versus the print form of the letter, and some exercises. And you do get a little bit of vocabulary here. So as I said, for the first, I already forgot, there's 13 lessons, 12 lessons, and then the 13th is a review. It's going to be like that, learning groups of letters before you dive into part two, which is conversation and grammar. I don't know if the Bengali script is so difficult that it needs to be done like this, but I do appreciate that there's a reference for learning the alphabet in excuse me, in chunks. So lesson 14, which is really the first grammar and I guess unit, has your little blurb at the beginning, then your dialogue in Bengali script and the translation, and then goes into grammar and interrogative key and personal pronouns and demonstrative pronouns and etc., and followed by your exercises. So I just wanted to show you this book. There is something else. Yes, part 3, which I almost forgot about. Readings. So, in this part, you're going to get a piece of text to read, and translation, and notes. And this I like, because this is something I think a lot of books should have, is have text at the back to practice reading. I mean, nowadays you can go to Wikipedia or search for a newspaper online, but there's something about having actual text in here that is helpful because it has the notes and translations to go along with it. And as you can see, yes, before I forget, Bengali English glossary and English Bengali glossary. So this is a look at the Bengali course. A different layout for Teach Yourself, and I like it. Thanks for watching.